Stay tuned for tips and techniques from the nation's top chefs in the Chef's Kitchen.
I'm your host, Nicole Gaffney, and we're here today with Chef David Banks of Banks Seafood Kitchen and Raw Bar in Wilmington, Delaware.
Okay,
Well, what are we
good.
making today?
We're doing some raw bar features.
I love
Got
that.
a French-inspired tuna timbale, and if you don't mind, you're going to make the black pepper tuiles. It has cracked black pepper in it,
Nice, I
so
can see
it'll
a lot
want
of
to
it, too.
tear. If it tears, you just keep smoothing it out.
Okay.
And then these go right to the oven. Takes about 5 minutes at 350.
Oh, so really fast.
I'm doing the ahi for the French with the lemon pickle. I'll talk about the lemon pickle. For 4 days, salt, sugar, and chili pepper, and just wedges of lemon. Kind of chop the rind up a little bit, run it through a food processor with the chili pepper. You can see the little flecks of chili pepper.
Yeah.
This is the ahi tuna. Simple ingredients. I put a little bit of the micro herb in there. I put a little salt. This one comes with little toasted garlic. These and then the lemon in this one.
You can see how quickly the acid starts to hit the tuna,
It
too.
does, that's okay. Right into the mold.
You're the boss.
And then, look, we take our dish, a little teardrop plate. I go right underneath with my tartare, and I press it out. And then this one, the lemon pickle,
Oh, wow.
right on top.
These are really such a good example of the kind of food you put out at the Seafood Kitchen.
To see today's recipe, log on to chefskitchen.tv.